Hey guys, CEO of Queensland Solar and Lighting, and today we're going to talk about True Value Solar. Let's get serious for this one, because everyone's here. You found this video because you think that you have a warranty with True Value Solar. Now your solar system, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, there's no solar warranty. It's gone. True Value Solar aren't around anymore. You bought from them, 10 years ago or so, probably 7 years ago, 6 years ago when they finished up. They're not around anymore. There's no warranty, so stop looking. It's not good news, but that's what happens typically with big national solar companies. They finish up, they expire, they get too big, they can't scale properly. That's why I don't scale, because I can't do it. Logistically, it's a nightmare. Not only logistically, it's just you don't know with what panels you're selling. You don't want to sell too many that are no good early on, cheap stuff that it just goes wrong, and it goes so wrong that you're out of business and all your customers are left. They're called orphaned customers because no one is orphan solar systems means no one's out there with the warranty for these things. So because the company's finished up, that's happened with a lot of big other companies back in the day. True Value Solar. Another big one around that time was Eurosolar. There's been other ones. There only have been a very few amount of solar companies that have scaled properly, but never to that size that True Value Solar were. They were sponsoring the cricket, AFL, I believe. They were in the news. Every second TV advertisement was a True Value Solar special, cheapest ever deal. Cheap and solar, you might like those two words, but they don't go good together at all. Cheap solar is bad solar, and that's what happens, because cheap stuff, when is cheap ever good? Very rarely the cheapest is ever the best. Actually, I can't even think of one time when that's ever been the case, but yeah, that definitely doesn't happen with solar. So we're finding systems break at the 4 year mark. A lot of them now breaking around the 8, 9 year mark a lot, which is a lot of True Value Solar's age of when they were booming 10 years ago and such. Yeah, there's no warranty. So if you do have a problem, just give us a call. We can help you get a replacement system in, which we do all the time. So a lot of people, they bought the cheap Chinese thing early on and it's no good, or something from a big national company, it's no good. They come in and say, we don't want this to happen, water getting in the panels, we don't want this to happen anymore. So what can we do? And then you explain to them about the solar German solar panel, how it's double glass on top, glass underneath, water can't get in it. And that's what's generally happening with 90% of these True Value Solar systems. And the warranty just isn't there, unfortunately. So next time, try to find someone local, a local business who's got runs on the board, even been in business for a couple of years and doing things right, no negative reviews, or 10 years like we've been in business and not trying to scale, because no one wants to scale solar. You just can't. Everyone wanted to do that 10 years ago. Oh, we can make money. Let's boom, 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 boom. Yeah, but you're not going to keep anyone happy. So you got to try to do it honestly and ethically. And that's how you're going to get a warranty at the end of the day, because it's no fun dealing with going on the internet searching for True Value Solar warranties, True Value Solar customer support. The road stops here, guys. So that's all you can do, really. Just give a local solar installer a call and get your solar system sorted. Do it right. Try to do it properly this time. No one knows the answer, but we were warning people, 10 years ago that these big national companies, we've seen it all before. It's just not sustainable. Otherwise, we'd be doing it. Now, 5 years later, we're just cleaning up the work. There's no shortage of people with old True Value Solar systems calling in wanting replacements. And usually they want to put something good on this time. All right, guys, good luck with it.